In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out all accounts in Asana. This is especially useful if you've signed in on multiple devices, shared a computer, or simply want to make sure your account is completely secure and not active anywhere else. First, go ahead and open Asana in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the account you want to manage. Once you're on your main Asana workspace or project view, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Up there, you'll see your profile area. This is usually represented by your profile picture, your initials in a small circle, or a user icon. Move your mouse to that top right corner and click on your profile icon. When you click it, a small drop-down menu will appear. This menu is where Asana keeps your personal settings, profile options, and account-related actions. Take a moment to look through the options so you're familiar with what's there, but for now we're interested in the option related to logging out. In that drop-down, you should see an option that says Logout All. This is different from a regular logout. A normal logout only signs you out from the current browser or device you're using. Logout All, on the other hand, will end every active session connected to your Asana account. That means any other browsers, computers, or devices where you're signed in will be disconnected. Before you click it, be aware of what this means in practice. After using Logout All, you'll need to re-enter your login details the next time you access Asana on any device. This is a great step to take if you've used a shared computer, you think someone else might have access to your account, or you simply want a fresh, secure start. When you're ready, click on Logout All. Asana may briefly process this action and you'll be signed out of your current session. If a confirmation screen or login page appears, that's normal. At this point, all of your other active sessions should also be closed. To get back into your account, just sign in again as you normally would from your current device. From now on, only the sessions you start after this point will be active. It's a simple step, but it can significantly improve your account security.